in 4 years, rupees 6,500 amounts to rupees 8,840 at a certain rate of interest. In what time will 1,600 amounts to 1,816 at the same rate? So here in this question we have to answer two questions. First we have to find the rate of interest in the first problem. Using the same rate of interest we have to find here the time period. So the two problems we have to do. First, in the first problem we have to find the rate of interest here. Here we have to write the given information. Here given information is time is given 4 years, principal is given 6,500, rate of amount is given 8,840. Here we have to find the rate of interest. So here I am going to write given information. First I am going to write here the principal. Here the principal is equal to P is equal to 6,500. Next year amount is equal to A is equal to 8,840. Next time is equal to 4 years and rate of interest is equal to X%. Here we have to write the formula to find the amount formula. Amount is equal to P times 100 plus RT by 100. So here A equal to P times 100 plus RT by 100. Now substituting the values in this formula, amount is here 8,840. Here the principal is 6,500 times 100 plus, here the time is given 4 and the rate of interest is X. So already we have taken that is X. Instead of R we have to write X whole by 100. Okay. Next step here, we have to take this 6,500 or you can take cancellation only. 100 ones are 100 65s. So only 65 you can transpose from right to left. So 8,840 is there on left side, and transposing 65 from right to left it becomes the denominator. Then the remaining part is here 100 plus 4R. Here 4 is the time and R is X. You can write instead. Already we have taken that is X. Here we can write 4X. Now in the next step what we have to do, this 100 we have to transpose from right to left. So it becomes negative, means minus. So 8,840 divided by 65 minus 100. So you can write in the denominator 1 equal to 4X. Here we have to take the LCM to simplify this one. Here 65 is there. Here 1 is there. It should be multiplied by 65. So this one also 65. So therefore we can write in the numerator 8,840 minus 6,500. 65 times 100 is 6,500 equal to 4X. So next, simplifying this one, 8,840 minus 6,500. So subtracting here 0, 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 6 2 divided by 65 equal to 4r or 4x. So better to take next time onwards x only here. X, okay, 4x. Now this one is transposing from right to left here. 2340 divided by 65 times 4, because it becomes denominator x. Now simplifying this one. Now first 4 ones are 4 5s are 20, 3 is there 34, 4 8s are 32, and 24 5s are. Next 5 13s are 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 7. So now here you can write x equal to 117 upon 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are. So here you can write 9%. What is the rate of interest here? R value is here. R is equal to 9%. This 9% we have to use in the next problem to find the time. So the next I am going to read here. In what time will rupees 1600 amounts to 1816 at the same interest? Here same rate of interest, it is 9%. Same rate of interest means here 9%. Principal is 1600 and the amount is 1816. Rate of interest is 9%. Time is you have to take as x. Okay. So using that information, now I am going to write first given information here. Solution. Here the principal, second problem, principal is equal to P equal to 1600, amount is equal to A equal to 1816. Once I will check, amount is equal to 1816, right? So next, rate of interest is equal to 9%. Time we have to take x. Okay. Here the formula is same. So I can write A equal to P times 100 plus RT whole by 100. This one. Using this formula. So here you can write A value you have to substitute here. That is 1816. P value is 1600. 100 plus R value is 9, T value is x whole by 100. This 100, these two zeros cancel here. So next step we can write 1816. This 16 we have to take this side. So from right to left it becomes the denominator. So in 16 equal to 100 plus 9x. 9x. So next this 100 we have to take right to left. So it becomes 1816 divided by 16 minus 100 equal to 9x. Here LCM we have to take. What is the LCM here? 16. Here denominator 1. To make it 16, it should be multiplied by 16. So at the same time numerator also multiplied by 16. So now we can write the values here. 1816 minus 1600 equal to 9x. So here so 816 minus 1600 means 216. 216 216 divided by 16 equal to 9x. Okay. Now 9 we have to take this side. So it becomes 216 divided by 16 times 9, that is equal to x. This is the time period now. So cancellation here. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 36 9 fours are 8 twos are 8 threes are. So here we can write x equal to 3 by 2 years. So x is time here. Time is equal to 3 by 2 years or 1.5 year, 1.5 year. That is the time.